In this video, I will show you how to create a more efficient, less bloated operating system in a short amount of time. So for that, we are going to follow these simple steps to make our Windows more efficient. So let's get started. First of all, we need to uninstall all irrelevant applications that we have on our PC. For that, we are going to our settings option. If I open my search bar and type settings here, then the setting option will pop up. Let's click on here and go to settings window. Okay, we have arrived on our settings window, and in here in the left panel you will see an option called apps. If I go to apps, then there is another option called install apps. Let's click on install apps. Here you can see a list of all the applications that are currently installed in your computer. Now we are going to uninstall all the irrelevant applications that we don't use. So for example, let me just scroll through my applications, and under this news section, I see that I don't ever use this news application ever. So just click on uninstall and just uninstall it. Okay, so next thing we are going to do is we are going to disable startup apps. So again, we are going to our settings window, and under this application section there is another option which is startup. Let's go to startup. Startup apps are those applications that automatically gets turned on when you switch on your computer. So you can just disable all the startup apps you have that you don't need to automatically get turned on when you switch on your device. So to turn that off, just click on this toggle button and it would get turned off, and it would not get automatically turned on when you switch on your PC. Okay, so moving on to our next step, that is turning off personalization trackers. So for that, we are going to our settings once again, and under this search bar we are going to search general privacy and hit enter. So you will see that there is a personalized section here. We are just going to turn off each one of them. So these are basically trackers. Turning off these will allow the apps that will not use advertising ID to personalize ads. Website won't automatically use your Windows language preferences to customize content, and Windows won't keep track of which apps you use most to improve start menu and search suggestions. So moving on to our next step, that is customize startup menu. So for that, we are again going to our settings tab, and then under this left panel there is an option called personalized. Let's go to personalized, and after that, if you just scroll a little bit, you would see that there is an option called start. Let's click on start, and here there is some recommended options that are automatically turned on. Just make sure that you toggle off all these options. What this basically will do is it would give you fewer reminders to backup files, use Microsoft services, or complete account setups. Moving on to our next step, that is turning off notifications. So again, we are going to our settings window, and under the system there is an option called notifications. So if I click on notifications, a wide range of notifications will be by default turned on. Just make sure that you turn off all the notifications that you don't need. Say for example, for Google Chrome or OneDrive or any other applications that you might not need to notify you. So let me just do one thing, that is I don't need any notifications from this apps. Let's just turn that off. And moving on to our last option, that is taskbar settings. So to do this, we are again going on our settings window, and after that, in personalized section there is another option. If we just scroll down a little bit, you can see taskbar. In taskbar, you can see there is an option called taskbar behavior. If I click on this drop down menu, you would see an option that automatically hide the taskbar. Just uncheck it, and then you are good to go. Your operating system will use its most efficient approach to operate your system. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Make sure you comment if you find any difficulties, and I will see you in the next video.